Mario Party Superstars with Enna, Kyo, and Fulgur. Are you guys ready?
Yeah. I'm so glad we're not friends because we're gonna lose our friendship, but we can't lose something we don't have.
That was literally you when you walked over, Ren.
No, don't blame me for your skill issues.
There's barely hanging in there. Ren, Enna, are you a fucking banshee? What's happening?
I almost won! Why do you talk so much?
Bro, I just got bankrupt. Now I can't even get a fucking star. If I get to the star, are you? Oh my god, I hate this game. I hate this game. I hate this game. Oh!
I'll kill you, Ren! I'll kill you! You fucking kangaroo steroid! You fucking cheater! I'm gonna come after you! I know where you fucking live now.
Oh,
I swear to God, guys! I swear to God!
Anna, thanks for going first and showing me how to play.
Fucking bitch, I swear I hate this fucking game so much!
Yeah, boy. Let's go.
Oh my fucking god! Are you kidding me?
That's so sweet
of you.
Imagine being last.
I'm gonna go back to the doctors from stress, man.
Imagine being last.
I cannot believe.
Okay, we're watering Rosemi, everybody. Who's is gonna be the biggest?
Mine's the biggest, damn it. I don't care about this game.
I'm the biggest.
Wait, you have one, Enna?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
In compensation for the one that you lost.
Proud you ain't last, but looking forward to a Batsu. Bruh, come on.
Yeah, go left.
Come on.
Yeah.
I don't want to buy
You'll get 3 coins
Thank
this
you.
time, and then you'll be able to buy it next round. Unless somebody uses a chain chomp call to fuck you.
Wait,
Yeah,
I
who
get
would
coins
do that?
Who could possibly have a
Yeah, you
chain
get
chomp
coins.
call?
Oh no! Oh no! So ominous.
Now I can't wait to hear Enna's reaction to this.
Wait a second.
She hasn't figured it out yet. Give it a second.
What, was it by her?
It was 1 space away from her.
Oh, that's fucked up.
I know where the fuck you live. I'm gonna be honest. I avoided this country because I'm afraid, but you should be afraid now because I'm coming. And I know you can't go anywhere, so I'm gonna come to you, bitch.
Oh my god.
God damn. She really said, bitch, you're disabled and I'm coming for you.
I didn't say that. Oh my fucking god, you fucking nasty ass turtle. I'm gonna eat you. I'm fucking Asian, I'll eat anything.
That's crazy. That's crazy.
Oh shit.
Let me see what my minimum wage job can get me today. Nothing.
Use your.
Okay, I know. We're not even streaming. We're making no money from this. We're getting
I know.
0 today.
You know what? I'm working for somebody who gets money. I'm not even getting the money that I'm working for. Yeah, thanks for the 50 gift subs, guys. Thank you. Getting any of those.
Ren, I'm very impressed at the fact that you managed to bring Enna and Kyo together. This has never happened before. I'm proud of you.
I knew when I scheduled this collab this was gonna happen. You're welcome, you guys.
Thank you, fucking Gandhi. Thank you.